in the world have you guys been doing since the last time I seen you? Well, I can tell you what I've been doing. Freezing. The temperature dropped here in Virginia, probably down to like 29 degrees, 30 degrees at night. Man, freezing in here. So, let's get on with this video. I don't know if anybody's done this before. I think I may be the first. But do you guys remember when I cast that epoxy and wood when I made the coasters in this video? Well, if you do remember that, you'll remember I made another one with the leftovers in that water bottle right here. And what we're gonna do tonight, I'm gonna throw this sucker on the lathe and make some Christmas ornaments. Here we go. Now that we got that end trimmed off, I'm not even gonna worry about the plastic water bottle piece. I'm just gonna throw it up on the lathe, turn that off with it. I think I'll just guesstimate the center. And look at this, I already have a center on the other end, so I'm good. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me turn this awesome Christmas tree on the lathe. Made this out of stone coat countertops, epoxy casting resin, and I used some scrap wood that I had laying around the shop, jammed it into a water bottle, and made this awesome Christmas tree ornament. If you guys like this video, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button, and there's a little bell that you can ring to notify you anytime I post a new video. Also, in the description below, I have some Amazon links to some of the supplies that I use in my videos and my tools. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go ahead and check in the description below. Woo-wee! Tell you what, I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's colder than a dead Eskimo out here. With that note, I'm going to go ahead and leave you guys here. And as always, thanks for coming into the Good View Woodwork shop, and thanks for hanging out with us. See you later.